guys, my name is Johnstan. Many of you have been telling me like how do I apply makeup, how do I actually like dress up for a K-pop audition. And so for today we're gonna do a get ready with me for a K-pop audition. I'll be showing you guys my clear skin makeup tutorial and you guys will learn from there, and I hope that this will help you get a better impression for a K-pop audition. So if you want to achieve this K-pop audition look, keep on watching. So today's video is sponsored by Stylevana. So Stylevana is a one-stop solution for Asian fashion and beauty products. So today's products can be found there. If you are interested, you can get the products from their website. Okay, so let's just start for K-pop audition. So if you're gonna go for a K-pop audition and before you put any makeup, you need to put some skincare before you can put on the makeup. So this absorbs very well like a sponge. I'm done wearing my contact lens and I'll move on to the first product of the day. So the first product I'll be using is Pyeongkang Essence Toner. I really love this product because it's a really nice toner and it doesn't like irritate my skin. This is good for most skin types, even for sensitive skin. So I'm just gonna put a good amount of it and just slap it on my face. So put on the areas that your makeup's gonna be on, like you know, your T-zone, and then like yeah, around your face. Remember the cheeks if you have huge cheeks like mine. Okay, it dries up like really fast, like in a short instance it's already dried up. Okay, so this is the first step. So the second step of the skincare I'll normally use is I'll use Belize the True Cream Aqua Bomb. And this is a really amazing product. I've been using this for so long. I've already finished a few tubs of this. Look at the consistency. This is a really good like hydrating moisturizing cream. I think this is super amazing. I normally put a very good amount. The effect of the makeup will be like really amazing because of this intense moisture. So we shall see how it looks like after we're done with the makeup. Skin is bare face right now, so this is super duper amazing. I'm gonna put on some basic foundation. So the next thing you need to do is put on a setting powder. For me, I'm using the McQueen New York Micro Fit Finish Powder. This is a really good powder. It will set my foundation. So this is really important, especially if you need to dance or if you need to, you know, do some vigorous activity, or if you're just nervous because your makeup will just melt. So I'm gonna use this Micro Fit Finish Powder. As you can see, it gives off a very matte look, and this is what you should be going for. You don't want your face to look too oily. Can you guys see the difference? Here is like more matte and here is like slightly glowier, so you don't want to have too much of a glow. I'm just going to even the right side first. So the coverage is quite decent. I think this helped to cover some of my dark eye circles as well. So I am gonna move on into my eyebrows because I think that this is a really important step. So for my eyebrows, I'm using McQueen 1001 Tone On Tone Shadow Palette. So it looks like this. So this is gonna double up as a lot of things. It's gonna be my eyeliner, it's gonna be my eyeshadow, and it's gonna be on my eyebrow. I like to use powder products because this is softer. So I'm gonna use the slightly darker and lighter browns to make my eyebrow so it doesn't look too dark. It fits my hair color, so this is very important to match your hair color, if not you look very awkward. So I'm just gonna put on some of the lighter brown first so I can do the front of my eyebrows. So I normally draw my eyebrow like straighter and slightly thicker because I don't really have much eyebrows. So as you guys can see, this is a lot more fuller than this. And at the back, I'll normally pick a darker color. So the darkest color at the back, this will be my go-to color. So this will extend the eyebrows and it will look more natural. So this is how it's gonna go. So I just extended it and it looks like super real, super realistic. So my eyebrows are done, it's on flick and it matches my hair color. I don't want to use black because it's a very uncomfortable color, so I normally use dark browns, especially my hair is really light brown. What I'm gonna do now is gonna go into the eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I'm gonna use McQueen Duo Potent Eye Glitter. So this is what I like to use. So for K-pop idols, right, they always have that little glow on the eye, but this is not too much because this color is like a nude pink and this is like very light. So I'm gonna just put some of these on top of my eyelids and you guys will see how it's gonna be like. So just coat a little bit on your eyelid and then you just like smudge it out. So this gives that little glitter. I don't know if you guys can see. So now my eyes are really bling bling, right? So I need a little bit of a color because I think make my eye look a little bit stronger. So for this, I'm gonna move back to McQueen New York palette. I'm gonna use brushes from Mimbox Pony Effect Mini Makeup Brush Set. So this is the brush that I'm using. This is a fluffy brush and I've got some of that pink here. Okay, I'm just gonna take some of this. I'm gonna apply it as my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna lightly fluff it. Okay, so if the color is too intense, right, what I'll do is I'll just like spread it out. So I just wanna like, you know, make it a little bit more not too fancy. So once I spread it out, right, it looks a lot more like not so intense. But can you guys see the difference between this and this? Normally I like to use pink because red is very strong. Pink is like slightly toned down, so I can have this like, you know, makeup that most K-pop idol have. I think for an audition this is not too much, this is just nice. So I'm just gonna do the same for this eye here. This brush is quite good for me, see? You can just blend out the color really nicely, and now both of my eyes are even. I think this is a very decent look. So we are done with the eyeshadow. We need to do a little bit of eyeliner. I know you guys are like not the best, or maybe if you're a newbie you might be really scared. So I have a trick, is I actually use powder to use as an eyeliner. So this way, right, you can control it a little bit more, and also at the same time you will not be like too, you know, scared that if it dries or smudges you're gonna like redo the entire makeup. So I'm just gonna use a brush and then I will just line it below my eyes. So this is how I do it. So the darkest brown, I'm just gonna line it here and line it to lengthen my eye a little bit more. So like this, my eyes is a lot more fiercer, a lot more alert. As you guys can see, like from far it is very like striking. So this is what I like to do. And then I'm just gonna use the rest of the brown powder to contour my nose. So to contour your nose, it will make your nose look smaller. Just draw straight lines across your nose. From your eyebrows, you go down, and then you kind of remove the part of the nose that you don't like. However much you want to show that the light reflects, this is what you're gonna have only. So for now, I'm going to use Pony Effects, the fluffiest foundation brush, together with my micro fit finish powder. I'm gonna like, you know, even it out because I want this to look as real as possible. So I'm just gonna take some of these and then I'm gonna like, you know, cover it. So I think I'm more or less done with my makeup. So what I'm gonna do is just accessorize and style myself. So I'm gonna style my hair a little bit. My hair is really messy. So I think normally for auditions I like to straighten my hair. I like it straighter because this makes you look very neat. So I really like everything to be as straight as possible. Now I'm gonna part my hair. So I'm gonna part it this way because I think it's best to always show a little bit of forehead because they wanna see if how high your forehead ratio is. This is a very important consideration. Get more volume, I'll curl the top of my hair like this. So there's volume, there's like, you know, it looks a lot easier to style and hold shape because it doesn't make your hair look too flat. I'm gonna use a hairspray, so just spray it to fix. So you're in your home clothes right now and you can't obviously go into an audition like this, or you can't even film your audition like this online, right? So all you have to do is wear something flashier. So there you have it, this is Get Ready With Me for my K-pop audition. So now I'm set in stone for my K-pop audition. I can now film for it, I can now go for it face to face. So with my face like this, I feel like more confident because, you know, like with makeup, it really makes a lot of difference. I was like so shabby looking and not even like appealing. So after makeup, this makes a really huge difference, and like using the products that I have gotten from Stylevana, this is really amazing. So of course, if you want to have clear skin, this is not all you have to do. After you have your makeup on, you also need to remove it. So the important thing about a skincare routine is removing your makeup. So after removing my makeup, I'll put on some night skincare so that I'll be ready for sleep. I will be using Vanilla Clinic Zero Duo, Cleansing Balm Purifying and Cleansing Balm Original. So these two things, I'll be using this to remove my makeup, and this helps to remove my makeup completely. I've used it before, I really love it so much, and it has like small packs and this is easy for travel size. So I'm using the Clinic Zero Balm right now, and this is how you're gonna use it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it onto my skin. I'm gonna remove my makeup. So this comes off like really easily. I'm just gonna remove half of it to show you guys how efficient is it. So for balms like this, right, I'll encourage you guys to rub a little bit longer because it's from a balm and it melts into something like a liquid. So this is really good. So as you guys can see, right, with this balm, just a little bit of the balm, it already removed my eyebrow totally and my eyeshadow totally. So I am going to remove my entire makeup, wash my face and get back in a few minutes. So be right back. So as you guys can see, I've washed like totally off all my makeup and this like moves out really well. You just need to use a normal cleanser and this comes off really well. So before you sleep, there are some important things you need to do to take care of your skin as well. You have already stripped out all of your skin's moisture. Using Pyeongkang Use Essence Toner, I'm just gonna restore back my balance. And lastly, before I sleep, I like to use this Premium RX Swallow Nest Essence and Eye Cream Set. So this is for anti-wrinkling and brightening. First, I'm going to use the Swallow Nest Essence. I'm just going to spray some of it on my hand. So of course, like bird's nest is like a very premium item and this will help me get back all my moisture and brighten my face and my skin. After it's absorbed completely, you can see that my skin is a lot brighter. So before we sleep, we also need to take care of our eyes because our eyes are the most tired for an entire day. I'm going to use the Swallow Nest Eye Cream. So just a little bit like a pea-sized drop, I'm going to put it on both. And then I'm going to dab it. So this is what you need to do. Dab it gently around your eyes as well, because you have like stretched your eyelids because you are applying the eyeliner or applying the eyeshadow. This is what you need to do. Someone can tell your age based on your eyes because of your wrinkles and the fine lines, so this is very important step that you guys have to do. Final step is my Believe True cream, because this is something I can never live without. A big chunk of this because this is like the best like moisturizer, hydration cream that I've ever used. This is my nighttime routine before I sleep and I like to keep my face really supple and moisturized, and I hope that you guys really now know how to have this clear skin regime because this is what I normally do and these are things that I have always been using. So I hope that you guys know how to do a simple Kpop audition makeup and also how to take care of your skin so to have a clear skin like a Kpop idol. So I want to thank Stylevana for this video today. They have blessed me with so many amazing makeup products. So you can find all the items in Stylevana's website and the link of the website will be in the description box below. So for my subscribers, you can use this discount code INF10JK. So for 10 to 15% off the entire website. This does not apply for weekend deals and instant discounts. So what are you guys waiting for? Go and get these products now.
So here's the shout out for last video's comment. So if you're interested in getting a shout out, you can use this makeup emoji and you will increase the chance of having a shout out for my next video.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a like and also comment down below what type of other content I should make. Remember to subscribe to me and on the notification bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!